Hey man, lately, bro, I ain't gonna cap. The 2-strand twist, plus I haven't had a retwist in about, I say, I need to brush my teeth again. I just be stacked, cause I got braces, y'all, so this shit be crazy. But the 2-strand twist, bro, and I brush my teeth like 2 to 3 times a day, bro. I got to. The braces, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? But like I was saying, bro, these last couple days, bro, I've been looking into the mirror. A lot of niggas been, hey, bro, you look like Cardi. Hey, you look like this. You look like that. I've been getting that shit. Ever since I've been growing my dreads, I've been getting that shit, bro. I've been getting that shit like since the beginning, bro. Niggas calling me Belly when I first had it. You know what I'm saying? So the whole dread journey, niggas been saying, oh, you look like this rapper. You look like this rapper. But a lot, I've been getting Melly, O-Dog for sure. I can see O-Dog though. PlayBoi Carti, you feel me? Just different people and shit like that. But lately, I ain't gonna cap, bro. If I flip my hair back like this, bro, I've been feeling like Cardi. You look at the side, my nigga. You look at the side, been feel like Cardi, nigga. I be flipping my hair like that too, nigga. Hold on, let me do it for the thumbnail. Alright, see, I had to get a thumbnail right there. But nigga, lately, bro, I've been feeling like Cardi. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get more into that. But I just shot my dread update tutorial. My dread update video, so make sure y'all go check that video out. I've been growing these. Yeah, a lot of y'all probably gonna be asking me. I'm about to give y'all a quick little rundown. I just made the dread update video, so y'all need to go watch that video. But I've been growing these dreads for like 2 years. They're in the 2-strand twist right now. They about to get taken out. You know what I'm saying? When they get taken out, I'ma just redo them. I'ma just retwist my own hair. This is about to be a long ass process too, boy. I'm expecting to be in this bitch for like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I'm gonna do, bro. I'm gonna retwist my hair. I need to go get some rubber bands. I need to get some of these rubber bands, and I also need to get some rubber bands with my hair. I mean, for the big rubber bands that be going around here. I'm thinking I decided to make this in order to help everyone in their own personal dread journey, alright? This community will be centered around the advancement and progression of dreads, including how to wash, how to keep them up to par, and we will all share our experiences, what has helped us individually so that we may help others in this community. Alright, so make sure you go in the link in the description and join the dread community right now for only $10 a month, okay? $10 a month, that's all you need. And you will be tapped into other people's experiences, you know what I'm saying? So all my subscribers, they'll be inside this community. If you support me, if you're a fan of me, if you whatever, man, if you rock with me, make sure you, if you have dreads, you know what I'm saying? If you love my dread videos, all this type of stuff, make sure you go in the link in the description, click the Patreon link, and join the dread community, all right? Join the dread journey community. This is where we will be all sharing our experiences and everything like that. So I know a lot of you guys hit me up on Instagram about asking me questions and this and that and the third. This is for you guys, all right? So make sure y'all do that right now. The dread journey, the Patreon link in the description. Make sure y'all click it. Join right now. $10 a month. That's all you need, all right? So like, what is that? A McDonald's meal? This and shit like that, but all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch how the person did it when I went back. I'm gonna watch my other retwist video, and I'm gonna watch how they did it, and I'm gonna just copy the same thing. I'm gonna just do it. Now, of course, I'm gonna get better over the times of doing it, over the months of doing it. But yeah, that's my goal. My objective is to keep doing it, and to be able to retwist somebody else's hair. So a nigga be like, hey man, hey yo, look, retwist my hair. I'm trying to get my when niggas be like, yo, I'm trying to get my hair like yours. I'm like, hey, bet yo, pull up. I'll retwist your hair myself. You dig what I'm saying? Instead of referring people to people, giving them customers, I give myself customers. But yeah, bro, lately I've been seeing the Cardi references. You know what I'm saying? So I look in the mirror, I am, but and then like my beard, you feel me? My beard be the birthmark, shit like that. But nah, like I've been feeling like Cardi. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, bro. And I ain't talking about no gay shit. Like Cardi B, I don't know. I don't even listen to PlayBoi Carti. You know, I don't listen to PlayBoi Carti. I used to listen to Lil Uzi, a little bit of PlayBoi Carti. I was never a PlayBoi fan though. You know what I'm saying? I was never a PlayBoi, but I've been getting that request a lot. That's why I went ahead and made this video for y'all, a little short video. But The Dread community, bro. The Dread Journey community. I've just created that. I'm pretty sure y'all seen the ad in between this video about the Dread Journey community. I'm pretty sure y'all seen the one-on-one consulting video too. I'm gonna talk about that later. But the Dread Journey community, right? I need you guys to join that community just because of the simple fact. A lot of people been hitting me up on Instagram, hey, yo, Mal, what about this? What about that? What product do you use here? What product do you use here? But I guarantee you, if everybody came together and you're like, yo, I use this product this time, I use that product next time, that gave me dandruff. I'm not expecting to go from 0 to 1,000 members in a short period of 0 to 1,000 members in like a day or two. I'm not expecting that, right? But what I am expecting is I am expecting y'all to support me, and I am suspecting y'all to go in the link in the description, join that Patreon, because not only does it help me, it helps you guys also on you guys' Dread Journey. All right, we're gonna be making a whole video about that sooner or later. But yeah, we're gonna be doing that soon though. But getting back to the PlayBoi Carti aspect video, but that's all I wanted to tell y'all niggas, bro. A lot of y'all just been saying, hey, yo, Mal, you look like PlayBoi Carti, this and that, third. So a lot of you guys are either fans of me, you guys want to speak to me on FaceTime, anything like that. Y'all want to chop it up to me personally. And this is to build a better connection with me, the creator of this YouTube channel. A lot of you guys want to talk about your Dread experiences, credit cards, anything like that, bro. Make sure you click the link in the description. Set up an appointment, 30 minutes to an hour. 30 minutes is $20, the hour is $35. So all you gotta do is click the link in the description, set up an appointment to 30 minutes to an hour, whichever one you want, 30 minutes or you want the hour, to talk to Bill about anything, any life experiences, anything, or to just get a better connection with me as being the content creator of this channel, because you guys, I know you guys watch me daily. Go in the link in the description, do that right now, set up your appointment. Go ahead and book me before I be doing some more stuff. You know what I'm saying? Also, we have the Dread community too. So I'm just throwing that out there. I know y'all seen that earlier, but we have the Dread community too, the Dread Journey experiences too. So make sure all that will be in the link in the description. Do this. And I also did videos. If you haven't already, make sure you go check it out. I also did videos on PlayBoi Carti hairstyle. I told y'all the exact method. I told y'all the exact hairstyle this nigga got. So a lot of y'all be asking me all these questions that I made videos about repeatedly. I'm just gonna keep making videos about it, because look, at the end of the year, bro, I'm trying to have 600 videos. You know, I'm trying to have 600 videos. I'm trying to have all y'all in my Patreon. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have all y'all with my merch. You know what I'm saying? We making big plans this 2021. So we putting stuff in motion. You know what I'm saying? Eventually I'm gonna learn how to retwist. First, I'm gonna learn how to retwist my own hair. Then probably by the summertime, I'll have it down packed. Be retwisting y'all's hair. You feel me? But yeah, that's what we got for there. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later. Make sure I hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, go in the link in the description and go check it out. Go check out the Patreon, the Dread Journey Patreon, and make sure you go check out that one-on-one consulting if you want to talk to me personally, anything like that. Make sure you book your session before anybody else book it, because look, bro, y'all need to book ahead. Y'all need to book ahead of time so I can say, okay, I can accept this, or shit, I gotta do something on this day. You feel me? But I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.